All right, up next we have next duet. This is duet number 3, Theme and Variation by Ferdinand Ries, a wonderful German composer. Really fun little piece. It consists of 2 parts. You have theme, basically main melody, and then you have a variation based on that main melody. So it's sort of it's basically the same thing, just same tune consisting of 2 parts. Part 1, part 2. That's it. All right, let's try this. Well, that was that. Really cool little duet. There you have basically 3 different things going on. You have legato bowing, you have separate bows, just détaché or just separate bows, longer bows. And of course you have a little bit of staccato, just a detached bowing in both parts. Fun to do. And be careful with the F natural on E string. It's a lower first finger, so just be mindful. Especially first violinists need to be a little bit careful with that. Yeah, have fun. This shouldn't be too bad. If you need to pause it, stop it and listen, come back, try again. Use the MP3s I'm including on Patreon. Also use the sheet music I'm including also on Patreon. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.